Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video, I want to talk about the importance of not trading the news. I know I've talked about, researching the news of a stock in addition to researching the charts, but never trade off of news alone. If you trade off of news alone, then you might as well throw your money in the trash because you're gambling at the end of the day. Whether there's good news on a company or bad news on a company, that doesn't mean that the stock price will move logically with that. So if there's good news, that doesn't mean that the stock price will go up. And if there's bad news, that doesn't mean the stock price will go down. And the reason is because the news doesn't create direction. It doesn't ensure the direction of a stock. News creates volatility. News creates volatility. That's it. If you think like that, then you'll protect yourself from a lot of losses, right? When everybody was hype about Virgin Galactic trying to get calls because they thought this flight could have been successful, and when it did, they were hyped, they were excited. But when the market opened on Monday, what happened with space? They tanked. And then what happened? The company started selling their own shares, which caused the stock to drop even more, and it created a lot of fear, and then they had to suspend the stock for there being a lot of volatility. It was moving so fast in a downward direction after that positive news. So never trade off of news alone because you can lose a lot of money as a result of that. What you should do is look at the charts. Then if you see a pattern on your charts, then look at the news, sentiment. But never just trade based off of news alone. You want to look at news, you want to see the sentiment of the media around a stock, but never let that just be the determining factor of whether you're going to buy a stock or sell it. Never do that.